To begin this project we will be needing a long nose pliers. Mark it in both sides in equal length. Drill the mark and do not go through. 4mm drill bit is the best size for this. As you can see, I didn't go through. And now let's drill the opposite side a little bit, remember, a little bit only. This is the reason that I don't want you to go through, because it serves a purpose. Let's test it with a 10 gauge stranded wire. As you can see, the small hole that we drilled lately serves as a cutter to the insulation of the wire. Let's drill another 2 hole, and this time it's for smaller wires. Let's test it with smaller wire size. Awesome, huh? It's so sharp. Let's drill the last hole for the smallest wire. Let's test it with the last and smaller wire. How easy to strip this wire. Very easy. If you think this was a good idea, leave a like. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, see you in my next video. Bye.